What is the difference between the SEBO K2 Turbo and the E2 Turbo model? Now, let's look at the floor heads they come with, because they actually come with the same exact floor heads. They both come with a straight brush for your bare floors and a turbo carpet tool. It's a suction driven carpet tool, good for low to medium pile carpets. So they come with the same attachments, but that's pretty much where the similarities end. The K series is the entry level model into the SEBO canisters, and that means it's missing a few things. For one thing, well, you'll see the difference between the K2 and the E2 as far as size isn't much. The E2 is just a bit bigger, but they're all about 12 pounds, so the weight doesn't really change. But because the K2 is a more compact model, it has a smaller dust bag, and the dust bag is situated here at the back of the machine, which is just not as easy and convenient as the E series, which has a dust bag right at top here. That's one thing. The other thing is the cord on the K series is only 25 feet long, whereas the E series gets a 30-foot long. That 5-foot extra gives you a much longer radius. As a matter of fact, the E2 gives you a 37-foot operating radius from the wall down to the floor. Not only that, the K series, you will see, does not have a cord rewind button. The E series does. Press on that button, the cord automatically rewinds back into the machine. With the K series, you have to pull the cord out for it to release itself into the canister. You will also notice that the E series get a nicer hose. They get a tapered hose, which is wider at the bottom than it is at the top. And that does two things. It helps with the airflow, as well as the fact that it's an anti-clog feature. All of that for a very little price difference normally between the K2 Turbo and the E2 Turbo. Almost always makes the E2 a better buy. If you have any other questions, if I missed anything, vacuumwarehouse.ca.